In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the ATR indicator on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding and using the average true range, or ATR, can be a game changer in your trading strategy. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps to get this powerful tool set up on your charts. First things first, you'll want to start by opening up MetaTrader 5 on your computer. Once the platform is launched, take a moment to decide which chart you want to apply the ATR indicator to. This could be a chart for any currency, pair, commodity, or asset that you're focusing on analyzing. Once you've settled on your choice, navigate directly to that chart to get started. Now, direct your attention to the top of the MetaTrader 5 interface. You should see the menu bar sitting right there at the top. What you'll need to do is locate and click on the Insert option. This is going to be your gateway to adding different kinds of indicators and tools to your chart. So it's a good one to remember if you plan on customizing your trading environment. After you've clicked on Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll need to hover over the section labeled Indicators. This will further expand another menu that is specifically designed for various types of indicators available on the platform. In this freshly opened list, look for oscillators. This section is rich with indicators that are primarily used to analyze market momentum and volatility. Next, as you hover over the oscillators section, another list will pop up. Scroll through this list until you find the average true range option. It might be conveniently abbreviated as ATR, so keep an eye out for both the full name and its short form. Go ahead and click on Average True Range to initiate the process of placing it on your selected chart. Once you've done that, a configuration window will appear. This is where you can adjust the settings of the ATR to better match your trading needs. The ATR typically comes with a standard period setting of 14. This means it calculates the average range over the last 14 periods. Feel free to adjust this number if your trading strategy calls for a shorter or longer term analysis. Otherwise, the default setting does work well for many traders. After you've configured everything to your satisfaction, click OK and voila. The ATR indicator should now be displayed on your chart, typically at the bottom as a separate line graph. You can now begin using this indicator to measure market volatility and adjust your trading strategies accordingly. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added the ATR indicator to your trading toolkit on MetaTrader 5. Experiment with it, get used to its readings, and you might just find that it offers key insights into market conditions that can enhance your trading decisions. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!